Hello, hello, fifth grade. How are you today? Are you okay? Perfect? Good, good, good. You are perfect, like teacher Mario. Yes. Or semi perfect, quasi perfecto. Okay, working with sounds. You have to play track number 6 again, okay, to practice your pronunciation. Yes. So you have to listen to track number 6, which I'm going to be playing right now. Again.
Lesson 2. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Shores, shores, joined, joined.
Okay, so you have to listen to the audio again. You can look at the previous video to do that one. And then we're going to be answering this one, which is page number 20, working with sounds. Okay, so the first question here it says, number 1. Which words from the list end in the S sound like happiness? Okay, what words finished, okay, terminan in the sound S like happiness? And I'm going to help you with this one, happiness, darkness, brainless, right? So you have to put here brainless, darkness, and you have to put here another one that is goddess. Okay, goddess, god, male, goddess, female, god, boy, goddess, girl, like the goddess of rain, you know, Quetzalcoatl, Tlawa, a goddess, no, wait, a girl. Um, Athena, Athena, la diosa de la sabiduría, the goddess of wisdom. Hera, the goddess of earth. Yes, something like that. So you have to do those ones, okay? I already helped you with number 1. It's your job to do number 2, number 3, and number 4. And then here, 1 syllable, 2 syllables, 3 syllables. Remember, darkness, 2 syllables. Darkness. Yes? And c'est fini for working with sounds. Ciao.